Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Huawei Nova 11i. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Right here locate accessibility features. Now find shortcuts and gestures. Here we can see them all and let's check how they work. First one being AI voice. If you choose to enable it, you can hold down the power button for 1 second to wake up AI voice, or hold it down for 3 seconds to power off the device. And let's try using it. As you can see, the AI voice pops up. Next feature is Ultra Snapshot, and here you can choose to open a camera or take a snapshot by double pressing volume down button when the phone is locked. You can also turn it off if you like. Let's try it out with a snapshot. So I'm going to double press volume down right here. And the snapshot just makes itself. Nice. Next feature is take a screenshot, and there's all different methods to do it, and you need to use your knuckle for it. So make sure to enable them all, and the first one is knock twice on the screen with a knuckle to take a screenshot. So for some reason it doesn't work for me. You can try it out if you like. Next is a partial screenshot. So you need to knock and draw an enclosed area to capture the screenshot. So let's try using it. It doesn't work as well for me. You can try it out, just showing you how to do it. Knock and draw S to take a scrolling screenshot, so it should work like this, but it doesn't. And the last option is swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot, and this should actually work. Or not. Okay, just try the feature yourself, maybe it will work for you. Next thing is record the screen, and here if you enable it you can use your double knuckles to start a screen recording. But as you can see it doesn't work as well even though it's enabled. Next is wake screen. If you choose to enable it you can raise your device to turn on the screen when it's locked. So let's try it out. I'm gonna pick it in a grip and then lift it up. And yep, it wakes up without pressing any buttons. The last feature is mute ringtone. So if you enable it and raise to reduce volume, there's also another feature. Flip your phone to mute it when there's an incoming call. So for example, I have a call incoming right here and I flip my device like this, it will mute it. And the next feature, raise your phone to reduce the ringing volume of incoming calls. So if your phone is sitting on the table and you receive a call, then when you pick it up, it will decrease the volume of it. And that's basically all of the shortcuts and motions on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.